We need to take out all accessories and tools. It's worth noting that the pole is retractable with a maximum length of 2.7 meters. The base is composed of two parts, a water base of sands in it and a stainless cover, so the whole base is weight-bearing and topping preventing. Then fix the telescopic roll to the base and secure it by the screw. Next, take out the flag from the packing bag. And insert the telescopic roll to the pocket of the flag. And fix a spherical ball to the pole. Tie the rope through the spherical ball to secure the flag. Lastly, adjust the telescopic lever according to the height you need, and don't forget to fix the rotating ring.